Hey guys, this is Anthony with Mike's Auto Clinic again, here to talk to you today about air conditioning systems. As we all know, it's starting to get warmer, and your air conditioning system is going to be one of those things that's going to be on your mind when you're driving your vehicle, when you're parked and idling, and you find that your heat is coming out of the vents when you should be getting cold air. This is a 2011 GTI that we just did a bunch of work on. AC systems consist of a few parts. I'm going to use this car here real quick just to give you a brief run through. There is an AC compressor. That's what actually compresses the refrigerant in the system. There is a AC condenser, which is what actually takes the heat out of the refrigerant. And then the evaporator that's inside the car, that's what transmits the cold to the air that you feel out of the vents, and even a cabin air filter. There's a few things that are important, how they work together, and that's what we're going to be talking today about. So take this GTI for example, your AC condenser, we'll go ahead and start there. That's the radiator in the front of the car that takes the heat out of the air. It sits basically right here under this plastic panel, and that's what all the airflow through the front of the car comes through, pulls the heat out of the refrigerant after it's been compressed by the compressor, which on this car sits down quite low. It's kind of hard to see, and it's driven off of the serpentine belt of your vehicle and has a clutch that actuates on when it wants the compressor to be on, and then it opens up when you want the compressor to be off. It cycles. And then the AC evaporator is actually underneath the dash, and that's part of the heater box that's under the dash, the heater air conditioning box. In that box, there is a filter. It's about this big, about this thick, and that filter is your cabin air filter. Anytime you bring your vehicle in, we're going to check that cabin air filter. There's a couple reasons why we're going to check that filter. One, it keeps all of the allergens, pollen, viruses, we all know right now that's kind of a big concern for a lot of people, viruses, bacteria, etc., out of the interior of the vehicle, including odors. You can get a charcoal filter for them as well, which is an upgrade. It's available right here through our shop. We can put those in for you. But anytime you bring them in, we're going to go ahead and check it. If it's really dirty, I'm going to let you know so we can get that replaced. The other thing that cabin air filter is going to do, if you've ever been in your car and you notice there's not a lot of airflow, that cabin air filter, when it's really clogged, is responsible for cleaning the air, but it can also restrict the airflow that you feel. The other thing, when you come in and you have an inspection done in your car, even if you don't have an AC concern coming into this part of the season, we're going to put a thermometer in the vents and test your AC and make sure that it's working for you. If you have an air conditioning concern, say it's blowing hot when it shouldn't be, one of the things that we do is evacuate and recharge the AC system. Now, if you don't know, your AC refrigerant is a high pressure gas. That gas, if it's ever been let out of your system or if there's a leak, is gone just like that. And there's no way to recover it. So, in order to measure it and make sure that we have the appropriate amount in it, we'll evacuate it, measure it by weight, and then recharge the system and look for leaks. Costs you about $150 to have that done. However, you'll get a full AC system when you're done, and we'll have diagnosis time to find any leaks in the system or any failed components like your AC compressor. Now, in the event that you need work done on your AC system, say we have a compressor that's not working properly, that evacuate and recharge and diagnosis labor that you pay for will be applied to the repair as well, because any repairs on that system require evacuate and recharge. So, if you find yourself with any issues with your AC system, feel free to bring it by. We'll get an inspection visually done on it. If that isn't enough for us to be able to tell it's wrong, we'll go ahead and do the evacuate and recharge, again with your permission, and tell you exactly what's wrong with that AC system. And then in the event that we need to replace any components in the system, we give you a great warranty, a complete repair, and something that's going to keep you cool for not only this year, the summer after that, and the summer after that, guaranteed through our shop's warranty program. In some instances, we'll even give you a lifetime warranty on the entire AC system once it's been repaired. That is the parts that we've replaced. If you have any questions, if you want to make an appointment, Again, it's getting hot quick and we do get really busy with AC season. Feel free to give us a call. Go ahead and hit us up on our website or even on our Facebook page at Mike's Auto Clinic. Our number is 208-466-7402. We definitely look forward to taking care of you.